I am making a meatballs. Grind meat, garlic, onion, black pepper, salt, and spices. Okay, when it becomes brownish, so I will make the sauce. The sauce will be a tomato paste, tomato slice, onion, black pepper, small amount of cornstarch, and water. That's it. A little bit brown. So here we come for the sauce. This is a cornstarch, half a spoon, tomato paste, black pepper, onion, and a small amount of tomato. This is my finished product of a meatballs. So now I'm preparing the pan for the sauce. So now let's put first the onion. Okay. Let's make it a little bit brownish. So now let's put the tomato. A small amount of these spices. This is mix with onion, with garlic, with garcinia and other spices. And now let's put the tomato paste. Okay. Then now we'll put the water. This water with a cornstarch. Okay, it's boiling. A little bit of salt. That's it. And pinch of black pepper. That's it. So now the sauce is ready. We will put the finished product of meatballs. Okay. Just make a small fire and soak it until the sauce absorbs to the meat. the meat absorb the sauce. Okay. Done. This is an optional only. I want a little bit spicy. Okay.